Next up, we're going to make carrot cake, and this is the perfect recipe. We'll start with the star ingredients. First peel them, then cut off the ends, cut them into round slices directly into the food processor, and then blend them up finely. Alternatively, you can also grate the carrots by hand, but you won't get such a fine mixture. Now we're going to make the dough. Put the eggs in a bowl and start beating them while adding in the sugar and a pinch of salt. When the mixture is thoroughly whipped, start pouring in the oil gradually, as well as the orange juice and orange zest, and finally add the carrots. Give it another mix, and then in a separate bowl, mix the dry ingredients together: all-purpose flour, almond flour, and sifted baking powder. Add the dry ingredients to the wet mixture bit by bit while mixing. And now, the dough is finally ready. Transfer it into a springform cake tin lined with baking paper. Sprinkle the top with slivered almonds and cook for about 55 minutes at 180 degrees. I recommend doing the toothpick test. Wow, this cake already smells absolutely amazing. Time for just one last sprinkle of icing sugar. And now I'm going to try a nice big slice. Look how dense and moist it is, just the way I like it. And most importantly, it's absolutely delicious. Bon appétit!